guys, it's Vimy here from Bye Bye Sugar, a guide to low carb cooking. Anyway, today I've had a lot of questions actually over the last few social media posts about how, you know, they don't know what these certain sweeteners are that I'm putting in my recipe videos and into the book. I've explained it a little bit into the book, but for those of you that do not have the book and have been following me on social media and have been following the recipes, I definitely have used a few sweeteners that you may not be that familiar with. So I decided it's time I take you through that. Enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, comments, I'm here to answer them. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.